Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the TikTok watermark step by step. So if you guys want to download a TikTok video but then you don't want any watermark attached on the video, so this is how you can remove it. So first, you can just find the TikTok videos that you want to save. Okay, for example, I want to save this ones right here. So you can just tap on the share button in here. So don't click on this save video option. You just need to click on copy link. So you copy the link of this video. And what you need to do next is either use a TikTok video watermark remover application, or you can also use a TikTok downloader video in online. So first I'm going to show you how you can do it online. You can open your browser and then just find TikTok video downloader as the keyword, this one. And in here you'll see lots of options. You can see download TikTok video without watermark, download TikTok without watermark. So you can just choose which one. Let's say I'm going to just go with this one, the ssstick.io. So what you need to do is just insert the link that you've copied in the box like this and tap on the download button. So after a while, it will show you the preview of the video that you want to save. Then you can just tap on this without watermark options. And after that, the video will be downloaded without watermark. But if you want to use it on the application, first you need to download the TikTok video downloader on the Play Store or App Store. You can click on search and then just find TikTok video downloader. You can see there will be lots of options in here. You can just choose which one that you want. So I've already installed one on my device in here. Okay, so I'm using this one, Snaptic. You can just launch the applications once it's done installing, and then it will automatically detect the link. You can see in here, this is the video that I want to save. So what you need to do is click on download video. But since this is a free applications, that then you can see, if I want to download the video, I need to watch an ad first. But you can just watch the ads and the video will be downloaded without watermark, or the watermark will be removed from the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.